There's a massive face-off which has erupted over the post-poll violence that is taking place in the state of West Bengal. The BJP is up against Mamata Banerjee government. Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar has attacked Mamata Banerjee for not letting the victims of the poll violence meet the state governor C.V. Ananda Bose, branding it as a matter of shame for the constitution. Union Minister has alleged that Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, wants death of those who are actually backing the Saffron clan. Following all this, West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose said what Mamata Banerjee is doing is unconstitutional. He went ahead to say that in the state of West Bengal at the moment, there is a dance of death that is taking place under the Mamata Banerjee governance. Bengal has witnessed multiple episodes of post-poll violence earlier during the Lok Sabha elections.
I have heard the victims. That is one version of the story. As a governor, I would like to be fair in my approaches and comments. Let me also listen to what government has to say.
देखिए, गवर्नर साहब ने सही सवाल उठाया है, क्योंकि जिस तरीके का विषय आया है कि आप जो विक्टिम है उनको मिलने नहीं दे रही है, गवर्नर को गवर्नर हाउस से निकल के जाना पड़ा, तो ये तो डेमोक्रेसी को शर्मसार कर देने वाली बात है। डेमोक्रेसी में गवर्नर कस्टोडियन है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, वहां तक भी अगर पहुंच नहीं पाए विक्टिम, तो ममता बनर्जी चाहती क्या है? जो लोग बीजेपी करते हैं वो क्या डूब मरे, सुसाइड कर ले? तो अगर ऐसा है तो मुख्यमंत्री जी एक बार बोल दे सामने आकर, सब बीजेपी वाले सुसाइड करने लगेंगे उनके घर के सामने जाकर।
My colleague Suryagini Roy is now joining me from Kolkata on the story. Suryagini, it seems like the political storm will keep on blowing in the state. We will see TMC on one side and the BJP on the other side.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya, and this political storm has been on since 2019's electoral results. Let's not forget that. Amidst all of this, the BJP has constituted a four-member panel, a four-member team, wherein, which is being led by Ravi Shankar Prasad and former Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Deb. They will be coming to West Bengal and they will be meeting people who have been allegedly victims of post-poll violence, BJP Karyakartas who's been victims of post-poll violence, because this entire war of words between the BJP, the Trinamool Congress and the governor is in relation to post-poll violence. Now, as the BJP has time and again mentioned that post-poll violence has happened, the governor, yesterday he was speaking to the press. He met a few people who were affected by post-poll violence in West Bengal. He's mentioned that he's asked for a report from the state government, which hasn't, arrived to him. That was what he claimed yesterday. And he's also going to write a letter in a sealed cover to the Chief Minister. However, he does not want to divulge the information, the contents of that particular letter. However, he has mentioned that he will be writing a letter, and what we do understand is, Aishwarya, that it's going to be something in relation to what the allegations have come in, that post-poll violence, especially against BJP Karyakartas, have happened in different parts of the state following the results of 2024 elections.